Welcome to Vlogmas Day number 6. My downstairs area is a complete mess, so I'm gonna clean that up first before I even show you guys any of my housing and living area. I've got an Amazon package. My nitrile gloves. My elf on the shelf. I almost forgot I got a new tripod. I'm gonna open that right now and set it up because my other one is falling apart. You guys can't see my tripod right now that my camera's actually on because it's actually tilted to the side. 2 of the legs are about to fall off. So this baby came just in time. I've got a mount here that rotates 360 degrees for my telephone. I like that. It comes in this nice bag. Okay, so this one is much bigger than the current mount that I have. I got some little feet for my tripod legs. My handle to adjust. Another mount. Put on there. Okay. Let's say goodbye to the old busted, beat up tripod. Look at this. Ridiculous. Look at that. And these 2 legs are like falling apart. So yeah, you're done. You're retired. What are you doing up there, Mr. Elf? He is totally chilling up there. So now I need to package these beautiful shower steamers that I made a few days ago. But first I need to print out some labels. And I get my labels from Online Labels. And I do design my labels myself and I print them out myself. I use Canva to design my labels. And I know I could go through a third party to print my labels in bulk. But I changed my mind so much. I haven't gotten to a point where I am completely set on one design. And I don't want thousands and thousands of labels that I'm not completely satisfied with. Wholesale order that I want to get out. I'd like to get it out today so that I have time to do other things that are on my plate. So let me go ahead and get that packaged up now.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to right about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our
Alright, so that wholesale order that I packaged up earlier, I'm about to take that to UPS.
oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning.
So the wholesale order has been shipped off, and I am changed because Mason and I are going to head to Aeneas's basketball game.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year is just
Thank you.
Very welcome.
So we just made it back into Charlotte after seeing our daughter play. Unfortunately, her team did not win. So now we're at the auto mechanic shop. We are picking up Mason's truck. He had to get some things fixed on that. And we're gonna go watch Gladiator later on tonight as well. And Gladiator 1 is definitely one of my all-time favorite movies. I think Mason and I still have that movie on DVD. So I don't think our kids have watched it, so we told them, hey, you guys got to watch the movie first, the first one on DVD. They're like, what's a DVD? And then go watch the second one. That movie was absolutely amazing. Hands down. Gladiator 1, one of my favorite movies. Gladiator 2. I would go watch it again tomorrow, probably. It's about 11 o'clock at night, so I am so exhausted. I've got candle scrubs and butters that I still need to make sometime this week, so I'm gonna hit the sack so I can wake up tomorrow and get some stuff done. Thank you guys for joining me for another day of Vlogmas. Until tomorrow.